Hello friends, today I am doing butter naan with paneer butter masala. So for that we have to prepare the batter. Cups of maida in a bowl and half spoon salt. Half spoon sugar. And half spoon baking powder. So first mix it with the spoon. Then apply some oil to your hand. Pour some water and mix. You have to mix this dough for 15 to 20 minutes and pour oil on the top of the dough. Take a wet nap. You have to apply it. Then take a wet napkin and keep it on this. Keep aside for 1 hour. Start paneer butter masala. In a pan, take 1 spoon butter and 1 spoon oil. Keep this 1 plate of onion and chili. Let it become golden brown color. After frying the onion, tomato. Then cashew, whole spice, ginger garlic. Fry for 2 minutes. Here oil should separate at side. Then off the stove. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Then blend it. You have to make the paste like this. Then take again 1 spoon butter and put it. Then add this paste, onion tomato paste. Let it fry. Oil should separate at the sides. Now the oil has separated. You have to take 1 spoon kasuri methi, 1 spoon red chili powder, salt for taste, half spoon turmeric and 1 spoon garam masala. You have to add it. Mix it. Fry it for 2 minutes. After frying it for 5 minutes, oil will separate. Now add 1 cup water. Fry it for 5 minutes. When it is boiling, you have to add paneer pieces. After cooking it for 5 minutes, sprinkle some coriander, mix it. Then off the stove. Take it into a serving bowl. Then add some butter on the top. and sprinkle some coriander. Paneer Butter Masala curry is done. For butter naan, take some butter and chopped coriander, chopped garlic into the butter. Mix it and keep it aside. Now take the dough, mix it well for 5 minutes. Now take some ball size roll. Now take that ball size roll and spread it like this. Now spread it like this on your hand. Take water and spread it on the top side. Now keep it on the pan. Now fry it for 1 minute on the one side. Now one side is fried, you have to turn the pan to the stove. Butter to the butter naan. Both sides. The paneer butter